Marami yung na-curious sa post ko na to sa Facebook. Yung, "Mami, masakit po." Tapos no parent wants to face a serious illness, no, diagnosis ng anak nila. And I was promoting one of our products, yung ACP100 for Kids, AIA Critical Protect. Kasi not only it covers 57 major illnesses up to age 100, pati yung mga pangbatang sakit, the minor illnesses like dengue, severe dengue, asthma, Kawasaki disease, yan, and some of that, of course, cancer, heart attack, stroke, liver failure, kidney failure, kasama yan. And alam mo, no, it's as low as 38 pesos per day, right? About mga 1,140 per month, about 13,000 a year approximately. No, for an 11-year-old na anak, na male or female, depende sa iyo. So papakita ko sa inyo ngayon ito kasi meron akong kaibigan nagpa-quote pagka-post ko sa Facebook kahapon. Ito. So, for an 11-year-old male, 20 years to pay itong AIA Critical Protect. Ang coverage mo, no, for major critical illness or life insurance, whichever comes first, 1 million peso coverage. No? So, yan po ang coverage. And then, may minor critical illness benefit na 250,000 or 25% of whatever the face amount or coverage. Tapos, may additional benefit, itong gender-specific cancer benefit na 500,000 additional. All in all, no, 1 million plus 500,000 yun yung pwedeng maging total coverage kung gender specific, no, kung panglalaki, prostate cancer, kung babae, breast cancer, some of the examples. Only 14,460 1 year kasi nilagyan ko ng rider. Pag inalis mo yan, 1,000, mga 13,000 lang. Pwede pong alisin yon. Kung 10 years to pay with the same coverage, 1 million critical illness and life insurance, 250,000 minor critical illness, and 500,000 na gender-specific cancer benefit, 27,000 lang. Hindi siya mga 28,000 plus. So, mas makakamura ka ng konti kung 10 years to pay, kung afford naman. Imagine sa 10 years, nagbayad ka ng 27,000. So, it's only 271,000. For 10 years, ang coverage mo, 1 million plus potentially 500,000. 1 to 1.5 million. Ang perang binili mo because this is guaranteed money in case something happens. Ang nilabas mo lang, 271,000. So, napakasulit talaga sa bata, and even if you're a little bit older, you're adult, up to age 65, pwede po itong plan na to. Of course, habang tumatanda, mas mahal. If you're interested, send me a message, leave a comment here, send me a PM. I will just be needing some of your details, especially your mobile number, your full name, your birth date, your email address para doon ko ma-send yung quotation. And then we can set a meeting if interested ka.